Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If your Zap isn't working the way it should, here's a simple guide to troubleshoot errors in Zapier. First, open your Zapier dashboard and click on the Zaps tab. Find the Zap that is having issues, then click to open it. Now, look for a red arrow icon or warning message. If there is one, Zapier will often give a short explanation of the issue at the top or next to the specific step that failed. Click View Details to get more information. This will show you what caused the error, whether it's a missing field, authentication problem, or a delay in the trigger. If it is an account issue, go to My Apps from the sidebar and reconnect the app that is showing the errors. Next, double check that all required fields in your Zap are properly mapped out. For example, make sure the fields from your trigger match the fields in your action steps. Once corrected, test the step again using the retest and review button. If the test goes through successfully, go ahead and publish the Zap once more. And that's how you fix most common Zapier errors in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.